What if I told you that 70% of altcoins are actually down since the last election? Meanwhile, Bitcoin is holding strong at around 96,500, up nearly 47%. So, what's really going on in the crypto market? Are altcoins dead, or is this just the calm before an explosive 2025 bull run? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which coins have the best shot at leading the next crypto charge and, most importantly, why. So stick around, because what I'm about to reveal could completely change how you invest in the coming months. Crypto investors love comparing past market cycles, but let's be real. 2025 isn't going to be a carbon copy of 2021 or 2017. We only have two historical bull runs to reference, and both were wildly different. That means we need to stop relying on outdated comparisons and focus on real market data. Right now, we're seeing some key signals. Funding rates are dropping to zero, meaning minimal leverage and weak market interest, potentially signaling a bottom. The U.S. Treasury has $830 billion in its general account, which could be injected into markets within the next 30 to 60 days. The next FOMC meeting on March 19th could end quantitative tightening, QT, which would be huge for risky assets like crypto. Oh, and Ethereum? It's facing the largest institutional short position in its history. That could mean either a massive short squeeze or a brutal drop. So let's break it all down, starting with Bitcoin and why it still dominates the market. Bitcoin has been the king of crypto for over a decade, and despite endless Bitcoin is dead headlines, it keeps proving the skeptics wrong. Right now, BTC is sitting comfortably around $96,500, showing resilience even as most altcoins struggle. Why? BlackRock, Fidelity, and other financial giants are piling into Bitcoin through ETFs, legitimizing it as a true asset class. With the U.S. debt ceiling at $36 trillion, the Treasury might be forced to release billions into the markets. If that happens, Bitcoin is likely to benefit first before liquidity trickles down to altcoins. Bitcoin's next halving is set for April 2024, cutting mining rewards in half. Historically, halvings lead to major price surges about 6 to 12 months afterward, lining up perfectly with a potential 2025 bull run. Question for you. Do you think Bitcoin will hit 150K next year? Drop your price prediction in the comments. While Bitcoin is thriving, most altcoins are struggling. Over 70% of them are trading below pre-election levels, signaling real weakness. So which ones will actually survive? Here's what separates winners from losers. Ethereum is the second largest crypto, but it's under massive pressure. ETH has the biggest institutional short position in history, meaning big money is betting against it. Gas fees are still painfully high, making Ethereum less attractive for mainstream users. Meanwhile, Solana is gaining momentum with a faster, cheaper network that's becoming the go-to for builders. If Solana keeps improving at this rate, it could seriously challenge Ethereum's dominance. AI-focused cryptocurrencies like Fetch AI, FET, and SingularityNet, AGIX, are gaining traction, especially as artificial intelligence becomes more integrated with blockchain technology. And let's not forget Chainlink, which remains the backbone of DeFi by providing crucial price oracles. What could shake the market? The crypto market isn't just about technical analysis and charts, it's heavily influenced by macro events. Here's what to watch. The U.S. government is almost at its debt ceiling, and to avoid a crisis, the Treasury may have to deploy $830 billion from the general account, TGA. Think of it like a mini quantitative easing, QE, which could pump a lot of money into markets, including crypto. The Federal Reserve isn't expected to cut interest rates just yet, but if they announce the end of quantitative tightening, that alone could trigger a major market rally. If inflation data comes in over 2.9%, we could see some serious market turbulence. If it's lower than 2.85%, we might get a breakout rally. Either way, mark March 19th on your calendar, because it's a major pivot point for crypto. What's happening with FTX? In a surprising twist, FTX has started repaying users based on crypto prices at the time of its collapse. That's a huge deal because it puts billions of dollars back into circulation. It could trigger sell pressure as people finally get their funds back. It's a sign that at least some of the 2022 chaos is getting resolved. It's not quite the end of the FTX saga, but it's a step toward healing the market. So what's the final verdict? Bitcoin is still leading the charge, with strong institutional backing and the upcoming halving. Ethereum is in a tough spot, while Solana is proving to be a real contender. AI and real-world utility projects like Fetch AI, SingularityNet, and Chainlink are worth watching. Macro factors like the U.S. Treasury's liquidity injection and the FOMC meeting will heavily influence the market. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of 99% of crypto investors because you're actually paying attention to the right signals. Now let me know in the comments. Which altcoin do you think will dominate in 2025? If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button. It helps more than you know. And if you want to stay ahead of the crypto market, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Check out this video next to learn more about the biggest crypto trends shaping the future.